Yeah, yeah, quite small, but then people were a lot shorter in the old days, weren't they? Yeah. Well, they make quite a big thing of it with the exhibition and the entrance bit, don't they? Oh, see that in the bus to the Stones. Oh, yeah, yeah, the big lumps in the ground. Yeah. Burial mounds, I suppose. I think, presumably. And I'm sure they'll bring him if they happen to be this way. Just showing all the queues of cars as they drive near it. So we asked Stonehenge of all places.
So 20 to 11 in the morning.
Yeah.
Absolutely packed because we got there.
Yeah. We got here really early and
Yeah.
it was absolutely jam-packed.
Tour groups and all sorts.
Yeah, tour groups, a lot of Japanese and Orientals,
American.
Indians, Americans, you name it. Probably only Brits here, really. Yeah. Anyway, on our way home from the cruise, and
We thought we'd stop by.
yeah, thought as we're in the area, we'd stop by. All for now, though.